So guys, today I've got my F22, it's a 70mm EDF. Basically what I'm going to be showing you is the difference in sound between the 5 and the 10 blade fans. So let's get going.
Like on the
Oh, hit the bumps. So that's the difference in sound between the two fans. Drop a comment below, let me know what you think. It does chew a lot more power. The original fan was a 5-blade fan and that chewed about 40 amps, and changing nothing but the fan took it up to about 60 amps. So you want to make sure your batteries are up to scratch, and obviously your flight times will go down, but I just think it sounds awesome. And once again, drop a comment, let me know what you think.
get a bloody do it.
Oh!
Yep.
Oh, oh, look out, look out.